Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is rather a little unusual space where I am sitting and making a video today because that's the only corner in the house where I have good light, and I want to make this video as quickly as possible, so I couldn't wait because it's been raining in Bangalore and who knows that it's going to continue for a few more days. And if that happens, I won't be able to record this video or any video for that matter. The reason I'm doing it is because I'm here to share a very interesting option for you, especially if you love Legos as a family, like you have children in the house who loves Legos, or you yourself love Legos or building blocks. So I'm going to give you an option of a brand which is I'm not being paid for.
Mama, but she said that's all.
What did she say? Susie! Peppa is missing Susie, huh?
The reason I'm making this video because this definitely turned out to be very phenomenal, and I'm just enjoying that I was able to come across something like this. So if you guys are looking to buy some more Lego sets for your children and you think like they turn out to be a little expensive a lot of times, because I don't think that it's really feasible to buy them every other month. I mean, that's the rate we were buying Legos for our children because it's COVID times. The kids are not going to school. The only way to engage them is to make sure that they are they are working around with some creative kind of toys. And if you have seen my previous video, you would know that how important toys like building blocks are for children. I've already spoken about it. If you haven't seen it, then do check that out before you watch this particular video, because this is going to give you a deep insight into why building blocks or building toys are important for the children. I'm giving a complete insight into that. I mean, it's something which does sound like they're just building toys. Let's just go on to the recommendation anyone is telling, or just like buy them. No, you have to be very mindful when you're buying toys, like any toys for that matter, but especially building toys, because they are drawn around, or they're built around that concept, that they will help your children or anyone who is using these toys to expand their creativity and imagination. So they actually opens up certain channels in your brain which other toys cannot. So that's the whole purpose of having building blocks or building toys in the house. And if you are somebody who wants to introduce building toys to your children, you've never done that so far and you want to do it, it will give you a very much deep analysis into why you should be bringing building blocks into your children's life or your own life, and why and how you should be introducing those blocks. For that, do check my previous video. I have included all that detail in that, and the reason I'm mentioning about that in this particular video as well is because I am talking about building blocks at the moment. So it's important that you do know why this toy which I have been speaking about, which I've been talking about, so why is it so important and how you should be buying them. So in this particular video, I'm actually reviewing this. My first time reviewing a brand.
That's the only thing which I've reviewed so far on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen that, you can go and check it out. So basically, Magic Crate is a subscription box, and it's a subscription box kind of activity for your children, which gives you a monthly subscription for an activity box, which you can use to engage your kids. Obviously, I have children, so I will be speaking about activity kits or toys or creative toys and creative learning, which is important for children, especially in this time and age where
house because of a pandemic situation. We are in 2020. If you are somebody who's watching this video from in the future, if you are someone who is watching this video in the future and COVID-19 has suddenly gone out of our picture, I hope so that happens very soon. If you're someone who's watching it, you should know that it was one of the very tough times for parents and children as well, because children can't go to school. They don't have a structured environment or a structured routine in their life, which is very important for everybody. Even for adults, we need that. So for that reason, I am just posting these videos. I'm making these videos to not only introduce you and your children to great toys, at the same time have fun with your children, because that's what you should be doing at the end of the day. And everybody, just like every other parent, I have my moments when I'm like totally helpless and I'm just like, I want my break. So that happens with me as well. If you are somebody or someone in the same boat, just remember, you will get through it.
if at all you want to know about subscription boxes, you can go and check that video out as well. I will be linking down all these two videos in the description box for you guys, along with any other details that you need to know for this particular review as well. So guys,
to the topic. So if you are somebody who loves Legos, or if your children love Legos, in this particular video I want to make a quick review about this particular brand now. So it's this particular box or building blocks from the brand called Decool, D-E-C-O-O-L, Decool, and I wanted to specifically review this because I am completely impressed by them, and these are such a great alternative, cheaper and economical alternative to Legos. And I would say that I absolutely love Legos, and I'm not sponsored to even say that. Me and my children, we love Legos. I think Legos are the mother company of all these things, So they are not losing their touch or their essence when anything like this comes in. It's just that I will say that, I mean, I'll expand more on that, why I love Legos more, and I will still be continuing to buy them. It's just an alternative for any one of you who wants to buy or who wants to bring in more building blocks and which are drawn around a certain concept, you know, like for example, like why I bought this one particularly. So Ayan already has a lot of sets of Legos with him. There are children who have much more than him. There are already that, but the reason we happen to buy only Legos in the past is because that was the only company that was known to us, and that's why we were still buying it from them. I will still buy it from them. We'll be very upfront about that, for reasons, specific reasons, which I will be telling you in this review as well. So Decool is the company which is, you can say, is a knockoff version of Legos. So I'm going to be talking about their pros and cons both. I will be covering that. Fortunate enough, and just let me give you the gist, that it's mostly pros. It's mostly pros, guys. So that's why I wanted to make this particular video where I'm reviewing this thing, because it gives you a reason to buy something like this. So the first and the foremost factor is it's totally economical. So you cannot buy Legos, especially in India. Legos are really expensive. Let's be honest about this. Like I mean, they are really expensive. that's the bottom line. So guys, it was really good thing to know that there is a company who is making something on the same lines, and it's actually doing it pretty well. So it was, and we were introduced to this by a family member. I really want to say that. Like I saw it first time with someone in my family. I was recommended that. I thought, let's give it a shot, let's give it a try, and let's see if they can replace Legos. Then let's see about that. It is economical to the point that it comes either less than half the price of Legos or somewhere close to half the price. Like, what can be better than that? So that's first reason first. Now let's come to the quality aspect and everything, like what's inside the box. So packaging looks exactly like Legos, as you can see, if something that you do consider. I will show you this one, because this is the one which we opened today itself, and this is the one which has already been opened before. So the reason I'm not showing this one is because what I do as a mother is that I pack them in a box like this one, so that we don't lose the small pieces. That's one thing which you have to do as a parent. Otherwise these pieces just they go missing easily because they're very small. So okay, so like I'm saying, the packaging is exactly the same, and that's a good thing, right? Since I'm reviewing the brand, I have to talk about each and every specific. Packaging is the same. I'm trying to take the box out. I've already opened this one as well, but this is still close to how it comes in the packaging. So it's very close to a new box itself. So guys, as you can see, the packaging is the same, and this particular is a police interceptor kind of a theme for this particular box. As you can see, it's just like Legos. The packaging is the same, the picture and images, everything is quite same like Legos, and what you have inside is what I'm going to tell you. Like, this book is exactly same like Legos. You know, Legos also come with a manual, so they do come with a manual where they guide you as a guide anyone who is going to use this box, like how you can make something like this in the image or that in the image. So this way, when they give you these booklets, the only use of these booklets is to let you make this. But obviously building blocks are meant to explore your creativity, to form certain synapses in your brain which have never been formed before. You know, like your brain might come up with some very revolutionary idea when you are building something with this. Like, this is what happens every time Ayan is making it. He do want to make this thing, like whatever is there in the image, but many a times, like 8 out of 10 times, he makes something of his own. That is what the whole that is what the advantage of these toys is, and that is what the idea behind these toys is. Like, give a window to your imagination, just give a pathway to your ideas, and that's what they are built around. Okay guys, so it comes with a booklet just like Legos. Let's get more into the review part. The individual pieces are packed in the packaging just like Legos are, so that's also same. I have already opened up one particular packet, so they were all packed in 2 more packets like this one. So this is also same as Legos. If you have already used Legos, you would know it. They even come with stickers just like Legos, so they are definitely a knockoff version, and this is quite same as Legos in quality, in this part of the quality especially. No. So there is one more point I wanted to add to the cons of this particular product, because as I was making it with another box, this is what I realized. Since I did not build the last box with Ayan, it was the first box which we introduced to Ayan was actually made by Titikshu, my husband. So this particular one I was figuring out with Ayan on my own. So that's what I realized. Like, I have used Legos in the past several times. Their books, the image quality on the books is really nice. So that's definitely one con, because you are introducing, I'll give you this, you're introducing to children who are like 6+ years of age, and the pieces are really intricate. These are very small pieces. So if the image quality is not good on the guide, if they want to make up something, which is what the box comes up with, you know, if they want to make up something like that, And if the image quality is not good, you will not be able to make it properly, because you have to look deeply into the image. Like, I am not somebody who uses glasses, but guys, but if you I really had to look really hard into the image. Like, for some pieces, like particularly in this particular image, like if I can cover it up here on the camera. Yeah, so this particular image where there is a black piece, I couldn't really figure out like what that piece exactly is. So I had to look in for about 4 or 5 seconds, really close into it, to see which piece is that I'm looking for. So the image quality is definitely not as good as Lego's booklets comes up with. There, the image quality is definitely so much better. I never had to look really. No, you're not a monster. So I never had to look that hard into the image, you know, like go so deeply into the book to see what that image is. I never had to do that. So when I was actually fixing this particular one, I had to look in, like there are several pieces for which I had to like look really closely into the booklet. So that's another cons, guys, you need to know before you buy. I mean, if you are going to be making with your children. No. So if you are going to introduce this box to your kids and they want to make something, which is what the box comes up with, the option. Like in this case, it's a police car. If they want to make a police car out of this particular box, then they will definitely like they will definitely going to be very annoying to look into each and every image. You know, like sometimes it's hard. I'm not saying that all the images are bad, but there are definitely few images, especially where dark colored pieces are involved, like black pieces or dark gray pieces are involved. I really have to look in very closely, especially if it is a small piece. I really wanted to add that, guys, because I'm reviewing a product here, so everything has to come out there.
Drawing its idea out of Legos. So the individual pieces are definitely not same as Legos. So this is where they have a difference, but that's not. So that's also part of the review, right, guys, right? They're not copying Legos. They're not a mirror image of Legos. So they have definitely copied the idea. You know, it gives you another option of building blocks. So, but completely a different concept altogether. Their idea is just same as Legos. So as you can see, the individual pieces are similar to Legos. They're quite same. Quite same in the size. The handling part is different, and this is why it is important that you introduce another building block option to your kids as well, not just Legos, because when my son or when I'm going to make these things, I'm definitely using different kind of grasp from my fingers and my hands, and that's the whole objective behind these toys, that you are working on different kind of muscle groups which you have never worked before. So that's very important when you are using these blocks, you know, and that's something which these boxes will never mention it to you, like how it helps you, because they work on a totally different group of muscles on your hands, palms and fingers. So that's how they are really helping your brain. So because the pieces are different, part of my muscles and definitely the different part of my brains. So if I were supposed to put this piece inside this, so Legos doesn't have the similar pieces, so that's why when I'm doing that, I will have to figure out the way to do it, and I will be looking out for some more additional attachment pieces which will fit into this, and then it will go into the other piece. So that forms a part of the review, guys, because I'm telling you like how it is, why is it important to buy a different set than Legos. It's not just the economical aspect, which is very important, at least for me it is important. At the same time, it's also helping you open up certain channels in your brain which Legos won't do, because and while working on the different muscle groups in your hands. So it comes with sticker, just same as Legos. Now let me tell you about, and like if you have to make this particular car, you need wheels, right? You need attachment for the wheels, and this is definitely nothing like Lego. So this is a different way of putting in. This is a totally different build altogether, where wheels are different than what you find traditionally in Lego boxes. The connectors for the wheels are different, the attachments are different. So everything included in the box is definitely different. You know, it's not, when you're using this, you are not using Legos. Like if you have used Legos in the past, you would know you're not working with Legos here, but you're definitely working with something which is similar to Legos concept. Now, you will never find a piece like this one in Lego sets. Down to saying that the idea is the same as Legos, and the reason I'm comparing it with Legos while I'm reviewing this particular product is because Lego is the mother company of all this, and they are the one for me, or I think according to anyone who has had experience with the building blocks will tell you that Legos are the pioneer of the building blocks. You know, they're amazing. You know, they are the one who started this whole idea of building blocks. And
as we got introduced to Legos after having children, I would say that Legos are one of the most amazing toys, building toys, especially if you want to have an explosion of imagination and creativity. It's just they are such amazing open-ended toys, guys. If you haven't given Legos a shot, you must give them, or any building block for that matter. They're just amazing. And I will still say and say it again that you can watch my videos on where I'm telling you like how you should be introducing building blocks, or what kind of building blocks you should be getting into your home for an adult or for just children. It's a really interesting video, guys. You do check that out. Okay, coming back to it, I'm still talking the pros. That was loud noise. So I'm still talking about the good points. So we have covered the price point. We have covered that how it is so amazing as Legos. We have covered the packaging part, the guiding book part, which is very important especially, and the quality of the book is also great, guys. So this is the each and every image which is shared in the book. Like if you can see over here, it's very detailed image, and it gives you a very good guide, just like Lego books does. Because
if you are using if you are building something very detailed oriented, and you require high observational skills, Legos have like a really amazing block sets like that. If you are building something like this, you definitely need a good guide. So this guide which comes in this box of Decool is exactly like same quality. It is at par with Legos as well, so that's a good thing. And why I have to say like the cones part, and that's really not much important. The quality of these individual pieces, that's only one downside of this particular box. I will say that the quality of individual pieces, it is not as good as Legos. This is where they are definitely falling short, is the quality. Like when you are working with these small pieces, every piece, so when you are working with them, you do realize that they are not fitting as well as Legos do. So they have a very firm grip. Like each and individual piece in Legos have a very good grip. So that basically, guys, is because of the quality of them. They are not as good quality. Like if Legos is 10, this is like 8. So that's the difference. So on quality of individual piece, I'm saying, because they don't fit as well as Lego. They come off really easily. They're falling apart, and I mean it doesn't have that kind of firm grip which Legos has. And a lot of times, one piece, like not in this particular set, because I've still not explored this, but in this particular set which we bought, this was the first set which we bought from them, and it's called the Architect set. The individual pieces were not fitting as well as the Legos does, so getting stuck also. So that definitely tells you that they are not made well. Because if these were like, let's say these are the two pieces I'm working with. I'm just going to detach these. I unattach them. So these are the two pieces I'm working with. So if I push this piece to fit in here, so this is what happened in this particular set. Majorly is that the pieces were not fitting properly. The cuts and the crevices were not as good as Legos have. So basically there is a little bit of fallback, but just a very minute one, and it was not just in one or two pieces, it was in the entire set. So that is definitely there, guys. Decool is a Chinese made company, so there is definitely a little bit of that quality. I mean, I don't want to say it's because it's a Chinese make, but just that there is a little bit of quality standard which is not met in this particular set, in this particular company. Like Legos are definitely, so Legos are definitely looking very deeply into the quality. They are not losing their quality no matter what. No matter what box you buy, no matter what, will never feel like their quality has deteriorated. So after having used Legos, I will say that I do find that their grip is not as firm as Legos have. So that's all for you guys. I wanted to keep it quick, but I don't know, it just gets stretched up. Now, if I'm able to, if this video is not too long, I will be sharing how I opened up this particular box for Ayan, because Ayan has been over my head that mama, I want to make this, and I will be making it with him. So I'm just going to hyperlapse that. If you do like this video, guys, and if you found the review interesting and useful to you, then do like it. I mean, it doesn't take much. You just have to click on that like button. And if you did like my videos, and if you want to see more reviews and more meaningful toys, meaningful learning and fun learning with the kids, and fun bonding between children and mom, then do come back to my channel. I will love to see you all. And if there's anything you want to know, you can leave it in the comment section for me. And one thing why I use such toys, besides that they are so functional, there is one more reason I bring in such toys in my home, is to bribe my children. Yes, I do that as a parent. I have to. So these days, like Ayan is getting potty trained. He is 4 years old, and I will say I started potty training him, and thankfully I didn't have to bring this box to susu train him, which is pee training him. So it's been third day of potty training, guys, and Ayan is not peeing in the diaper. So he's completely diaper off in terms of pee, but for poopy I have to work on it. So these kind of bribes, they really come handy when you are. It came really handy to bribe him to pee, or for I hope so that he get potty trained as well in the next 7 days or 10 days time. So which brings me to ask you this particular question, like if you guys have potty trained your children, are there any tips that I can use for with Ayan, who is 4 years old? Are there any tips? Because I am trying to
I'm trying to follow a particular book with him. I read that book long time back, but I couldn't follow it. But I'm trying to follow that book. And if you want to know any details on how I am potty training Ayan or I'm susu training Ayan, then you can leave it in the comment section. I will answer your queries. But if you have any kind of tips to give it to me, then please, you're more than welcome. Please leave it in the comment section, as I'm potty training him, and I want to do that. And like I said, this toy really came in handy to use as a bribe to potty train my son. So that is also why I bring in such kind of toys, which is totally new. The toys are really helpful in that case as well. So guys, if you did like this particular video, then don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I will see you around with more videos. And
Hello everyone! Say hello everyone! Now bring the box down. Come on, Anne, bring it here. Okay, finally it's time to actually use the box. Oh, I was doing it ulta. Sorry. Okay, Anna, what are these? Pieces. Anne, can you sit over here? Anne, can you sit over here so that you can come in the camera?
Can you please come over here? I'm going to put the box here. Look, you can sit here. I want to make sure that I am just on the camera. And come on, sit here, Vita. Come on, sit here. You will be going by the book. And I also want to. Can you please sit here, face the camera? Come on, like that.
Yes, exactly. And come on, Anna, give one piece to Anne. No scratching. Sibling fight. You want the fourth wheel? And I give fourth wheel to Bhaiya? Alright, where is the booklet? I need to refer to the booklet to make sure. What do you want me to make? What do you want me to make? Okay, so that's how Anaya uses these particular blocks. Obviously, they're not of Anaya's age, and that is why I shared in the video. It is very important that you know what age group your child is in to introduce. Oh, Ayan is putting the car wheels. So what age group you should be keeping in mind before you buy any kind of building toys for your children. Okay, so you're making something of your own? No, you're making something of your own? You're not making this particular police car? Are you not making this? What are you making? This one? You're making this? And you're not looking at the book. You don't need the book. And either you sit here or you sit in Mama Godi. Yes. What is this? What is this? Airplane. Okay.
Are you going to build a police car together? Are you going to use the booklet? Are you going to use it? Oh, this particular car is called King Steerer because it looks like a king car, king police car. And if you come and sit in Mama Godi properly, like that. Now you made it happy.
Thank you. And can you give me this? Oh, say sorry, Anaya. Give it her. No, this one is different, beta. This is blue in color. So that's what I do. If any time if you want to build it together with the kids, you have to ask them to bring the piece as the guide. Oh, we have to open that packet. Not like that. Okay, and where does this piece go? Where does this piece go? Do you know where does this piece go? Okay, I need three pieces like this one. You gave me one. How many more do I need?
3.
No, I need 3 total. If you gave me one, okay, the small side goes in. Can you show me how to put this inside? Show me. And sit over here so you can show everyone also. Look, my camera is over there. You have to.
Oh wow, that's so good. Okay, now I'm going to repeat these 2 pieces, okay? So this one goes here and this one has to go here. So I hope you got the idea how you can let kids do it by themselves. Like, even if I knew or I would have figured it out on my own, like how to do this. I wanted to make sure that Ayan does it. So that's how you get them going or get them doing things. Alright, so next piece, what is the next piece that I need? This is the number 1, this is number 2. So I need a grey piece like this one and a black piece like this one. 1 piece of each. I hope you are getting the idea. This is what I want to show. I'm going to go in hyperlapse so that I'm not making this video for too long. Okay, you got, look, this
The video, then don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I will see you around with more videos. And like I said, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you around. Bye.